So in this video I'll show you how to remove Windows 11 new update which is called KB5063878. So let's start it. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then click on Windows Update. Now click on Update History. Now click on Uninstall Update. Here we are. Now we need to find out the version which we want to uninstall actually. Now I'm gonna uninstall the new updates KB5063878. You can uninstall which one you need. Now click on uninstall and make it sure. And another alert, it is a risk, so make sure your electricity is stable. It will take like 2 or 3 minutes. Done. Now need to restart your PC. You can also restart your PC later. Thank you for watching the video. You can like and subscribe to our channel to get more video like this.